Joshua 1. Joshua installed as leader. After the death of Moses, the servant of the Lord said to Joshua, son of Nun, Moses' aide, Moses, my servant, is dead. Now then, you and all these people get ready to cross the Jordan River into the land I am about to give to them, to the Israelites. I will give you every place where you set your foot, as I promised Moses. Your territory will extend from the desert to Lebanon, and from the great river, the Euphrates, all the Hittite country, and from the great river to the Mediterranean Sea in the west. No one will be able to stand against you all the days of your life. As I was with Moses, so I will be with you. I will never leave nor forsake you. Be strong and be courageous, because you will lead these people to inherit the land I swore to their ancestors to give them. Be strong and courageous. Be careful to obey all the law my servant Moses gave to you. Do not turn from it to do the right or to do the left, that you may be successful wherever you go. Keep this book of the law always on your lips. Mandate it day and night. Will be prosperous and successful. Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go. So Joshua ordered the officers of the people, go through the camp and tell the people, get your provisions ready. 3 days from now, you will cross the Jordan here to go in and take possession of the land the Lord your God is giving you for your own. But to the Reubenites and the Gadites and the half-tribes of Manasseh, Joshua said, remember the command that Moses, the servant of the Lord, gave to you. He said, the Lord your God will give you the rest by giving you this land. Your wives, your children, your livestock may stay on the land that Moses gave you east of the Jordan. But all you fighting men ready for battle must cross ahead of your fellow Israelites. You are to help them until the Lord gives them the rest. As he has done for you, and until they too have taken possession of the land the Lord your God has given them. After that you may go back and occupy your own land, which Moses the servant of the Lord gave you east of the Jordan River toward the sunrise. Then they answered Joshua, "Whatever you have commanded us, we will do. Whether you send us, we will go. Just as we fully obeyed Moses, so we will obey you. Only may the Lord your God be with you as he was with Moses. Whatever rebels against you, your word does not obey it. Whatever you may command them to be put to death. Only be strong and courageous." Thank you for listening to this chapter, and God bless.